Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's video, inshallah Azza wa Jal, we'll start learning Surah Al-Humazah. It's a Makki surah. Ayahs are 9. The surah is really easy. Let's start with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wailul. Wailul. Likulli. Humazatil. Lumazah. Lumazah. This is a circular ta and it will convert into a ha sakin when we pause here. Now let's read this ayah together. Wailul likulli humazatil lumazah. Make sure you're making it hard. Lumazah. Za is a hard letter. Alladhi jama'a malan. Make sure you're taking the sound into your nose. Wa'addada. You need to pause a little bit because the dal is mushaddad and it's a qalqala letter. Yahsabu anna malahu akhlada. Why is a heavy letter? Make sure you're reading it heavy sound. Kalla layumbadanna. You need to do one here. Then you see a small meme here. Yeah, this is the rule of iqlab applying here. So take the sound into your nose. Fil hutama. Hutama. Again, this circular ta will convert into ha sakin. So make sure you convert this into a ha sign, not into the ta sound. Hutama. Wama adraka. Yes, you heard it right. The dal sound will bounce back. Mal hutama. Just like this one, circular ta will convert into ha sakin. Narullahil. Lam of Allah will be heavy. Muqada. Again, this will convert into ha sakin. Allati tattali'u. Ta is heavy and the beginning letter ta is a light letter. So first letter is light, second one is a heavy letter. Tattali'u. Press when you join the ta with the ta. Alal afida. Afida. Good job. Innaha. You heard it right. I did it longer just because you had to read it with the gunna sound. You don't have to skip it. Innaha alayhim. Yes, this ha is joining with this meme. Mu'sada. Mu'sada. Yes, you have to do jerk here because this is Hamza Sakina. And whenever we read Hamza Sakina, we have to do jerk. Fi amadim. Yes. Mumaddada. Let's read it together. Fi amadim mumaddada. Yes. This is a Makki surah, Surah Al-Humazah. Ayahs are 9. Make sure to practice. Read it word by word. See you in the next video.